In this video, you'll learn how to turn off Twitter sensitive filter. It's a very simple tutorial and there's two ways to do it. The first way is from the Twitter app. You just click on these three dashes, then you go on settings and privacy. There you just click on privacy and safety, and somewhere around here where it says safety, you should have this option to turn off Twitter sensitive filter. But if you don't have it, the only way to actually do it is from a browser. So I just open Twitter on my browser, and it's Chrome. You can do it on Safari, whatever. You just click on this, your profile picture, then settings and privacy. You go on settings and privacy again, and here you see this option, content you see. You click on it, and here you have this button or this check that you can click, display media that may contain sensitive content. You can toggle it off and on. Like the video now.